What's up, y'all? It's your girl Randy G here with another video. It is Tuesday morning. I'm getting ready for work, doing my little morning, spiel, packing my breakfast. I am doing avocado toast this morning. Just fed Chandler, just made my coffee, and then I need to throw my lunch in here. So if you are new here, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back, babes. It's so good to see you. We're just doing another weekly vlog. I'm currently getting ready for work, about to head out. It's 7:15, so I just need to get out of here by 7:30. So we're doing pretty good on time. I need to take my vitamins real quick. So for the ones that do not know, the vitamins that I take every day, I take a multivitamin. I do take a hair, skin, and nail, and it also has collagen in it, help the skin. I also take a prebiotic, a probiotic, and it also has cranberry in it. And I was down sick last week, so to help my immune system, I added vitamin C to the regimen. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of feel like a child because all of them are gummies except for the prebiotic and cranberry. But I mean, if it works, it works. I ain't tripping. So good. Ooh. Needed that. Pack that on the side. I need my coffee. So yeah, y'all, this is really just me opening up the vlog. I don't think I'm gonna record at work, only because work is a little crazy right now. We have like our mock survey, so we have a couple of visitors and all the things. But when I get home, I am gonna have to cook again. The salmon did not last as long as I thought. Well, I mean, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, that's not bad. 3 days. That's right. So I am gonna have to cook tonight. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna cook yet. It's between lasagna and the hot dogs. Hot dogs kind of leaning more towards because that's gonna be quick and easier. And that's kind of what I go for, in the middle of the week. But yeah, that's where we are with that. So I will see y'all when I get off work.
Who?
No. Good morning, y'all. Happy Saturday. I know I look extremely different. I took off my eyelashes last night, so I'm looking real bald, but I got stuff to do this morning. Chan has a grooming appointment. It was at 1:30, but they called me and said they had a cancellation. So getting up, making my coffee currently, and I'm about to take my vitamins. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't do that good vlogging this week. Just being honest and transparent. Work has been a little rough, so I do apologize. I do think I got like one clip of me in the office, and then I know yesterday I did like some restock, you know, of my fridge and of Chan's food that I made for the living room, you know, just trying to be more convenient, but at the same time trying to hide it. It's real cute. I'm gonna show y'all like what I came up with, because y'all know last weekend I spray painted those baskets white to see how it would look up against my black TV stand. So yeah, I am going to finish taking my vitamins, and I will see y'all when we get back home. All right, y'all, made it back home, dropped Chandler off. I did swing by the Amazon hub. About to open this with y'all real quick. I love these little cute little cloud box cutters that I got from Amazon. I'll link them, they're cute. Okay, so I actually know what this is because they didn't put it in the Amazon packaging. They put it in the actual packaging, of what I bought. So I bought a vacuum cleaner, a wireless vacuum cleaner, and this was at such a good price. I can't wait to use it. I'll probably use it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm planning to do like a Sunday reset, so I'll probably use it tomorrow, and I'll let you know like if I like it or not. And if it does good, I'll link it and I'll put it in my Amazon storefront. If not, I probably won't link it because I don't want y'all to buy anything that's, you know, not good. Oh yeah, and this looks like this is gonna be super easy, like to charge and all the things. Here for that. Okay, I do want to show y'all. Is there a picture of it? It is on the side. So this is what vacuum I got. I know it's not like the pretty pink, but that was Joe's. So I had to get my own, and I mean, ain't nothing wrong with blue. Blue is cool. Let's see so y'all can see. But yeah, these are just all the parts. This looks like this is the battery pack. A lot of parts in here. Gotta make sure we don't lose them. Oh yeah. And then we got the filter. We have the filter. We have the main part of the vacuum. And then of course all the attachments. Ooh. Right. All right, girl. This little bottom part. So yeah, it's actually not that many parts. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably going to mount this on the wall. So that'll be great. All right. That's it? Yeah, that's it. Whew. All right, so I probably will go ahead and put this together so it will be ready for me tomorrow. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all probably won't see me till later, either when I'm picking up Chan or maybe when I'm like vibing tonight. Like I might set up the hookah, me and B might watch a movie or something. I don't think I'm gonna cook because I think we still have leftovers from when I cooked Thursday, but we'll see. I don't know, we'll see. I didn't really plan out this day, you know. I knew I had to get Chan a haircut and that's kind of it. So we'll just play it by ear. So y'all, the vacuum was very easy to assemble. You literally just you connect this part to this part to the bottom and it literally all just clicks. It's like click, click, click. It's 3 clicks. So I am going to mount it on the wall. Of course, I don't want to use nails because y'all know I am renting. So I put 3 command strip stickers and I'm just gonna stick it on the wall. I'm gonna show y'all. Come on. Okay. All right, y'all, just got back from picking up Chandler from getting groomed. I am starving, so I'm gonna fix me a plate to eat. I think I'm gonna fix B's first because he don't really care for the extra. I'm gonna be extra. I'm about to warm up a tortilla and make me like a chicken wrap. I know he don't really care about that. Babe, you want a chicken wrap?
It don't matter.
I might make him a chicken wrap. I ain't gonna lie, I like my food to look cute. You know? That's just me. That's how I am. But yeah, I have these keto-friendly tortilla wraps that I got from Aldi. They're high in fiber, 0 cholesterol. It says high fiber, 4 grams total fat per serving, 0 cholesterol, 0 guilt. I'm screaming. And it's only 60 calories, so. I'm just about to warm these up on the stove real quick, and then we'll get into the rest of me making these chicken wraps. pot. Let's see how this is gonna taste. I ain't gonna lie, I might do it from this end. That up. Ooh. Yeah, that was good. Woo. It's okay. No. Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. It is 8:50 a.m. I know y'all see me. I literally just took Chan out. I'm about to make me some coffee right now, and I think I'm gonna cook breakfast. I'm a little hungry. Don't really know what I'm cooking yet. I know I have bacon, eggs. That's really all I can think of, bacon and eggs. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what kind of concoction I come up with. So yeah. I'm gonna fix breakfast this morning. Today, I really don't have anything planned. I'm real tired. Like, I woke up this morning at 7 a.m., could not go back to sleep. I did lay there for a little while, and then I finally just got up. So, I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna chill today. I definitely need to edit today. And I really wanted to do like a reset, but that probably will be later, maybe this afternoon, and we can get into that. And that may be a whole separate video, who knows? I know last night I kind of ditched y'all. I did not do a nightcap, but that's because I was editing. There's actually a video that's supposed to post, I mean today, but y'all will see it, you know, earlier. So yeah, so I just wanted to make sure I got that edited and make sure I had that posted. So that's scheduled to post today. So yeah, I'm really just trying to get back in my bag, y'all. Like a whole month of not really recording, a whole month of not really posting. So yeah, just trying to get back on track and really get in the grind and really set myself up for success. I mean, with the video that I still have to edit this video, I'll be like 3 videos ahead. So I'm here for that, you know, here for it. But yeah, so we're gonna cook breakfast. I know I look crazy. I still need to, I need to wash this hair. I'm trying to get back in the groove of washing my hair weekly, because y'all know, vacation, sick, all the things. So I need to wash it today, so that will probably be a part of my reset also. But yeah, so let's get into this day.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my baby, sending action. These days no Kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. In a pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
All right, y'all, finished with breakfast. I made eggs, bacon, and I made cheese toast in the air fryer. Just poured me some orange juice, and now I'm about to go sit on the couch and enjoy my breakfast. I will probably see y'all this afternoon, if not sooner, okay? Okay, y'all. So I am actually done laying around. I actually stopped laying around like way earlier. I've actually been tackling my glam room slash office. So we have a 3-bedroom apartment, and now we have this extra room. So the goal is to make that B space, so like he can play the game in there, he can take a nap in there, he can talk to his friends in there. Like, that's his space. So, you know, we've ordered him a desk and a monitor and a gaming chair and, you know, just all the things to set up his room. And like, his room is going to be nice, right? And then like my room is over there looking like crap. So I'm just cleaning my room before all his stuff comes. I know, it's just, I don't know. I'm just a girl, y'all. But anyway, I'm cleaning my room before his stuff get here because I want my room to look good too. And I'm actually gonna take a break because it's a lot. It's just so much stuff. Like, I cleaned the office space, and then now I'm gonna move on to washing the dishes, and then I will clean the glam space, because also too I want to clean my brushes and stuff, and I'm, you know, want to show y'all how I clean my brushes. I don't think I've ever showed y'all before, so that'll be fun. So yeah, let's get into it.
You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up down them stairs.
I have these 2 jars. I have my cleansing water, and I do have my brushes. So I'm just going to, to make this quicker, I'm just gonna pour this in here. And I am just going to soak my brushes. I don't think I'm gonna need both of these jars. I shouldn't, but we'll see. And I got all my eye brushes. Okay. I'm just gonna let these soak for a little bit. As you can see, the makeup's already coming off. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let this soak for a couple of minutes and then I will be back. So I have this this brush matte cleanser. I know y'all seen this on TikTok and all the things. I believe I got this from Target many moons ago. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in my kitchen sink. Normally I just use my Dawn, but my sweet mama bought me this makeup brush sponge shampoo. It's fragrance free, vegan, cruelty free, deep clean. So I'm just gonna use this because I'm not about to waste my mama money, and I'm sure it will do just as good as my Dawn. So let's move to the sink. Alright y'all, I know I kind of disappeared for a little bit. I did not cook like I thought I would. I actually ordered pizza. We got pizza, so that's what we ate for dinner. I'm pretty sure that pizza will be gone by tomorrow, so I do plan on cooking tomorrow, but that will just be in a whole new weekly vlog. I think I'm just gonna end this vlog right here because I think I'm just going to go to bed now. It's 8:30 and I gotta go to work. So please hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video, and I will see y'all next time.